Hi everyone, welcome to a new video by Original Video Reviews. I'm the OVR guy, and as you can see we have here a new package. As always, we're going to find out together what's inside and how to use this thing. But first, let's set it up so you'll be able to see how it works. Well boys and girls, what we have here is the DIP DP6060S, which is an affordable bipolar LED light for video and photography productions. The panel includes a total of 240 LEDs, one half is white and the other is orange. The body is made from a combination of plastic and metal, and the build quality is quite good. The panel has a slim rectangular shape which isn't that common but proved to be practical for my green screen videos. Let's plug this thing to the electricity. Let's focus on the back of the panel. You can see two rotatable dimmer switches. The lower switch controls the brightness level and the upper switch controls the color temperature. Here you can see a cooling fan, which is an evidence this is an old generation LED panel. Keep in mind that the fan gets dusty over time. Now you can see me doing sort of a demonstration that hopefully will give you a good indication if this LED panel is relevant for your needs. I invite you to share your thoughts about this demonstration by leaving a comment to this video. The last thing you're about to see is how noisy this panel can be. Please note that I placed a sensitive microphone next to the fan, so it might sound worse than it actually is, but the bottom line is that this noise is probably the biggest weakness of this panel compared to the more advanced and expensive panels that generate similar output. Well boys and girls, that's it for today. I would like to thank you for watching another great video by Original Video Reviews. Until next time, bye bye!